Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss how to install Ruby in Ubuntu 26 operating system. So here first let's open your terminal. Now this place you need to write this command sudo apt install Ruby. Press enter, give your password. So here you can see installing Ruby and this all are dependencies. And here suggested package Ruby dev. So right there, why press enter? So this here doing some download and packing. Here you can see Ruby successfully installed there. Let's use clear command. If I write there Ruby minus minus version. So you can see Ruby 338 that install. And if I write there Ruby minus h, then you can get this helping content of the Ruby. Now let's use this killer. Thereafter I'm going to run the simple hello world program of the Ruby. So this is the code to print the hello world using Ruby. Let's click on this plus and copying this one, paste there, Ctrl S to save. So saving on this download, let's give the name of the file hello. For Ruby, we need to give the extension RB. File that's saved. Thereafter, let's use the ls. So here hello.rb is there. So let's run this. So we need to use this command Ruby, then hello.rb. Press enter, hello world, that's so this blank. So this is the way we can install this Ruby in Ubuntu and run the code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.